Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance Web3 wallet on your PC. First, log into your Binance account on the official website. Navigate to the Wallet section and select Web3 Wallet from the drop-down menu. This integrated wallet allows you to manage your decentralized assets directly within the Binance ecosystem. It's designed for ease of use, providing a seamless experience for both new and experienced users. Remember, your Binance account must be fully verified to access all features. Once you access the Web3 wallet section, you'll be prompted to create your wallet. This usually involves setting up a secure password, distinct from your main Binance login. Binance employs advanced security measures, including multi-party computation, to protect your assets. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Remember to back up your recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. It's crucial for regaining access if you ever lose your device. To start using your Web3 wallet, you'll need to fund it. You can easily transfer cryptocurrencies from your existing Binance spot or funding wallet directly to your Web3 wallet. Simply choose the asset you wish to transfer, specify the amount, and select the correct network. Be mindful of network fees, often called gas fees, which are typically displayed before you confirm the transaction. Transfers are usually quick, often completing within a few minutes. With funds in your Web3 wallet, you can now interact with the broader decentralized web. Connect your wallet to various dApps, including decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and NFT marketplaces. When prompted, review transaction details carefully before approving them within your wallet. This allows you to participate in DeFi, trade NFTs, and explore countless other Web3 opportunities directly from your personal computer, all while maintaining control over your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.